Let's take this to this. Hey there, I'm Jessica with Sola Flower University. Have you ever struggled to get deep colors for your flowers? I mean, solo flowers, obviously. Today, we are going to be trying 3 different methods for getting dark colors for Sola Wood flowers. I'm going to be trying each method on 3 different dark colors: red, blue, and black. I'm going to be doing acrylic paint with glycerin, white dye with glycerin, and then I'm going to try white dye with Dawn dish soap. What method do you think is going to win? Tell me in the comments down below. Now, traditionally, to get a good red color with acrylic paints, you start by heating your water in the microwave. Usually I do 30 seconds to a minute where it will be nice and warm. After that, you are going to add your paint. And for red, I like to add just a tiny touch of black. It's really easy to overdo it, but just a tiny touch of black to get the red to cover just a little bit better. And then I'll dip my flower in, and usually I'll dip my flower twice. And then it looks like this. Now, through the magic of YouTube, I'm now going to snap my fingers and finish the other 2 colors. Boom! Let's move on to the white dye. So again, I'm starting with hot water, adding glycerin, adding the dye, and then dipping. As you can see, the red dye goes fairly well, and after dipping it a couple of times and letting the dye really soak in, it looks good. So I was going to go ahead and do movie magic for the rest of the colors because I figured they were all going to go that way. Until they didn't. Here you can see the blue. That's not absorbing in. The blue did not absorb in very well at all. So I went ahead and added more dye to the mixture and then tried dipping it again. And again, it was not absorbing well. And so I was like, okay, we'll wait 5 minutes. So I came back after 5 minutes and it was doing okay. So I pulled it out. Then I moved on to the black, figuring the black was probably going to go better. It's not the same as the blue. However, I ran into the exact same issue with the black and had to follow the exact same steps to get a dark black like this. Well, now it's time to try the Dawn soap with the right dye. Obviously, the glycerin did not go super well. I mean, you still got the colors, but it was where you had to let it sit for a few minutes in order to get the colors to soak in real well. So, let's go ahead and heat up our water, take it back to our craft room, add just a tad of Dawn's dish soap, mix, and then we're going to add in the right dye. Mixing it, mix, mix, mix. And now, let's dip the flowers. Oh man, that turned out good. Look at that. Dang. Okay, so that turned the color way faster than with the glycerin. And look at that color. That is a gorgeous color. All right, let's try it with the blue. Hurry. Okay, here's the blue. Dip, dip, dip. And woo-wee, look at that. It looks great. Okay, so obviously the Dawn dish soap is working much better. Let's quickly do the red, and we're probably going to find the same results. And yep, there you go. The red, the black, and the blue all did really well with this method. All right, now let's go ahead and compare these colors to the other flowers we dyed. Now, if you look at this black, you can see that they all look exactly the same. The blacks all look very, very similar. The middle flower is the one that was done in the soap, but you really honestly can't tell the difference between them. I guess black is black is black. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the blues. Now, the middle one is again the one that was done in the dish soap mixture. And can you see the difference? Wow. The blue looks amazing with the Dawn dish soap. That looks just really, really good. And look at the red. It is the exact same thing. Again, the middle is the Dawn dish soap flower, and you can see it looks really well. It looks really, really good. Well, it's pretty obvious. The winner is Dawn dish soap. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Help me build my solo flower empire of awesomeness. And now, until next time, don't forget to stay creative. Bye!